In today's video, I am going to teach you how to update Google Chrome in Windows 10 and make default browser vertical bar. Latest Chrome 2021. Update. Start by opening Google Chrome on your Windows 10 computer. Once the browser is open, look to the top right corner of the Chrome window. There you will see the More icon, which appears as 3 vertical dots. Click that icon to open the main Chrome menu. When the menu appears, move your cursor down toward the bottom until you see Help. Place your cursor over Help to open the submenu. From there, click About Google Chrome. As soon as you open the About Google Chrome page, Chrome will automatically begin checking for the latest version. You do not need to search manually or press anything extra to start the update check. If an update is available, Chrome will download it automatically. Depending on your internet speed, this may take a few seconds or a little longer. Once the update is installed, you may see an option to relaunch the browser. If that appears, click it so Chrome can restart and apply the update properly. If Chrome is already up to date, you will see a message confirming that you are using the latest version. That means there is nothing else you need to do for the update. If your goal is also to make Chrome your default browser in Windows 10, press the 3 vertical dots again and click Set Chrome to Default Browser. That way, when you set it as the default, you are using the newest and most secure version available. That covers everything you need to know.